Welcome back, everybody, and we are just about to start lesson 26. I'm very excited about this. This is going to be our final project that we are embarking on. Yay, final project. That sounds exciting. Okay, so here's our agenda. Let's do our mindfulness. So take a deep breath and blow out. One more and blow out. A third one. Do your attitude of gratitude. Maybe it can be that this is the last thing that we're really going to be working on. I know it's a multi-day project, but just the idea that this is the last thing is kind of exciting. So hopefully you'll have a little thankfulness for that. Today's question: why is it important to consider alternative energy for our future? So think about all the different things that we were learning about, how humans are impacting the environment, what influences we are having on global climate change, how that impacts so many different things, from what can grow where, and the sea levels and the weather that happens to be going on in particular areas, the severity of that weather, all kinds of different things that are happening because of our current choices in energy. And maybe there are better alternatives for the future. Okay, today's Daily Funny. What do you call a cow with two legs? It's lean beef, because you would be leaning over. If the cow has no legs, then it's ground beef, because it'd be on the ground. Okay, those are really kind of gross, but learning target today. I will describe what I determined for the learning target on my Teach Something project. So you are going to be doing a project where you are the teacher. So kind of think about how my lessons are set up. That should be a pretty good guide as to how I'm wanting this to be done. So you're going to have to determine a learning target. Norms: you're going to commit to using detail to develop an interesting lesson. All you people who complain about my boring lessons, now it's on you. You figure out how to make this an interesting lesson. Terms: we're going to be thinking today about agenda. So you are going to have an agenda. You are going to have learning targets. You're going to have norms, and you are going to have learning activities. All right. So what we did previously, what we're doing moving forward. So we finished investigating how different energy sources may impact our world. And now we are starting our Teach Something project. And again, this is our final project. This is the last big thing that you are going to have to do. This is the last thing you're turning in this whole project. All right, so I have attached on the Google Classroom the sheet with the directions and how I'm scoring. So make sure you're looking at that. It looks like this on one side. I'll show you the other side in a minute. So you are going to be planning, and then you're going to be making a tutorial type video thing for this project. When you are choosing a topic that you are going to use for your Teach Something, the topic should extend on what we already learned rather than repeat what we learned. So I want this to be something new. It doesn't have to be completely out there. We're still thinking about how people, humans, have an impact on the environment. We're still thinking about global climate change and those things, but I want you to extend on what we've already done, okay? All right, so you have this sheet. Make sure you're referencing it. All the pieces that are required are in there. We're going to do a little bit each day. Look on the bottom where it says what the grading is, what your scores are going to be based on. Okay, so on the back side there is a note catcher for you to help you start making the agenda. So on here, first determine your learning target for the lesson. So you have a topic, an idea that you're going to be working around. Write in the learning target. It should be I will whatever, whatever. And then write in the norms for the lesson. What are some of the expectations for the students while they are going through the lesson. Record that on there, okay? So that, I really just want you to get started in thinking and stuff like that on here. We will continue more of this the next lesson, all right? All right, so get your ideas together, write them down either on that sheet or on some paper or in a Google Doc or whatever. By now you should be able to describe what you determined for the learning target of your Teach Something project. Now I want you to hold on any and all papers for now. We will submit these to the Google folder that you have, the shared Google folder that you have, and we'll do that later. If you have any questions, if you want to check if that idea you have is a good one, or if it's too big or not big enough, I guess. If there's anything that you need worked out, please send me an email. My email again is searingm@mapleton.us. This is going to be fun. Think of something you are interested in moving forward. Again, stick to the broader topic, okay, how people are impacting our environment, but do something new and different and fun, okay? Good luck.